This vacuum cleaner doesn't stand on its own. You have to put it down flat or else it will fall, but it works really nice. This is what it looks like. It makes my cleaning so much faster. You can detach this piece and put some other pieces, and you can do the fans, the ceiling. It's really nice, very lightweight, and it has two settings. It has, this is where you put this, attach, this will attach this piece right here. This is where the filter is. It has two settings. The first one is for wooden floor, tile, any hardwood floor, and the second one is for carpets, like heavy carpets. The first one you can do small carpets. This one is for heavy duty rugs like carpets and the fluffy one. And it will not stand up because this is where the heavy part is. This section right here picks up the dirt, as you can see. And this is where you open up. You click over here to open up to empty out the dirt. But so far I am really enjoying this vacuum cleaner. Thanks again for watching. Talk to you all soon. Be well, be safe. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I, Simply Your Makeup, is saying bye. Have a lovely day.